So back in the day, I used to take a while to be able to outline my course, identify what my course was going to be on, and create all of the other items that are needed, such as the sales page, the emails, and all the stuff that goes along with launching a course or a membership or a coaching program. Well, today there is a new resource that will help you to be able to achieve this goal in minutes. And I can't wait to share all about it because it's a tool that I believe can help be a game changer for people who are in the online course space or creating digital products or looking to be able to sell their coaching programs and whatnot. So let's go ahead and dive right into what that special tool is and how it can help you in your business. Hey there, Corporate Misfits, Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help female coaches, course creators, and digital product business owners to build a freedom-bound business sharing their expertise. Now, before we dive into today's topic, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy today's video. Now, I have been a person where I love the process of planning for an online course. At first, it was very intimidating, and actually, I would kind of put it off and procrastinate because there were so many moving parts, but I did enjoy that process throughout that time frame. But now there's something that can help you to be able to skip the long process that I used to take in order to create online courses or memberships or coaching programs. And you can utilize this tool, and it's free, to be able to create your course outline, your emails, your sales page, video scripts, and all that good stuff in minutes. So Kajabi, which is the platform that I utilize to build my online courses, has created a AI Hub. This AI Hub will allow course creators, coaches, and digital product business owners to be able to plug in the overall idea of what they're looking to make an online course about, and then it will provide you with information that you can utilize to create your online course. So I'm going to take you behind the scenes of how this actual AI Hub works and how you can utilize it in your business. Now, if you don't have a platform to host your course or your coaching programs or your membership, I highly recommend that you check out Kajabi. I have a very special trial for you that will allow you to be able to try Kajabi for a little bit longer than what Kajabi has, as well as I have a special gift that will help you to be able to launch in no time. You can find that link below. Okay, let's go behind the scenes and check out Kajabi's Creator AI Hub and see how it can help you in your business.
So this is the AI Creator Hub, where you can really utilize this to build out your online course. So let's just take a peek at some of the things that they have. First thing is course outline. This is going to help you if you are trying to figure out how to come up with your online course lessons. Maybe you're trying to figure out what modules to create, what lessons to create, but ultimately this course outline will help you in module titles in minutes. So let's go ahead and just click on this so you can know how to utilize it. So when I click on course outline, let's say I'm going to create an online course on how to get started with, let's pick something, sewing. So I'm going to type in sewing, and let's go ahead and generate an online course outline. And what's going to take place is basically Kajabi is going to provide an outline of lessons that you can utilize. And with those lessons, you can be able to identify what works best for you and what does not. And this will help you to be able to start creating your online courses. So there's an introduction to sewing. It shares a little bit about sewing, and then sewing techniques, sewing projects. So here you can find different things that might work for what you're looking to utilize. If this is not something that you need, maybe you're not going to be teaching on sewing projects for home decor, or maybe you're not going to be teaching on accessories, only clothing, then you can eliminate the things that you don't need and just use the ones that make the most sense. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hop back to this page. And now that we have the course outline, one thing that we can do also is create content. So we just created an outline. What we would do in order for us to create our actual lesson, we would basically plug in what that course is about or that lesson is about, and then it can help us to generate a lesson. So I'm getting started with sewing. So now I'm going to go ahead and generate the lesson. And then from there, what's going to take place is it's going to provide me with some content so that I can be able to create a actual video lesson or an audio lesson on sewing. So here is just kind of the scripts. You can go and add more information. You can go and add things that can help to really describe what you're trying to talk about. But this is a really great place for you to start so that you're not having to start from a blank whiteboard trying to figure out what to say, how to say it, and all that great stuff. So the next thing I want to do when I go back to the hub, you could easily just jump to some of these things, but I want to show you from the front end in case you're starting from the front end. The next thing is going to be landing page copy. So I'm going to go ahead and hit generate page copy. This is going to help me to come up with my content for my sales page for selling my sewing course that I am pretending to make right now. So what my course topic is on, it's on sewing. Go ahead and hit generate landing page. And then what's going to take place is it's going to provide me copy and content like the other ones. And then you can go in and begin to start editing it. So here is basically the landing page. Learn to sew quickly. Give some information. Here's just some additional information. And then you have your final call to action. Now you can make your landing page a lot longer than this. I usually include longer sales pages, but this is a really great way for you, at least again, to get started and have something to start with versus looking at a blank whiteboard trying to figure out what to say. All right, now I'm going to hop to the sales email copy that you can send out to encourage people to join your course. So let's go ahead and hit generate email copy. Again, you can navigate through here. Only reason why I'm going back to the hub is just to be able to show people who might be starting from the front end. Okay, course topic, sewing. Let's go ahead and hit generate, and it's going to provide me with some sales copy about sewing. And so this sales copy is going to be something that you can utilize to help get people to your course. It shows a little bit about what your course is about, and are you tired of trying to figure out how to sew or fix your outfits, things like that, then this course will be for you. So you can come and add in more content that will be relevant to what you are creating. Now let's go ahead and go to the sales video script. You're going to do the same thing here, sewing, and we're going to go ahead and generate our sales video script. And then Kajabi is going to provide us with what they think might be great for us to be able to share. And again, you can customize it and tweak it. So here is your script. It's very short and sweet, and you can add more to that. Okay, and now there is also social media content. So if you are trying to figure out what to say or how to get people from social media over to your course or your sales page, you're going to put in what platform you're going to be utilizing. Let's say you're going to utilize LinkedIn, and I'm teaching on sewing, and I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. And now the sales copy is going to create a sales post or an actual social media post. And so here it is. Sewing's more than just a hobby. It's a craft, and it goes into more information. And now you can have a call to action inviting people to go to your sewing landing page or your course or your opt-in or things you might have to help get people to your course. Now you can do add more detail, make it funny, make it inspiring. So here's some options here, and you can play around. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it funny because I think I'm a jokester, but I'm not really. But ultimately, this will help to make it a little bit more funny for what you're trying to say, or you can have it be more inspiring or add more detail. So play around with this AI Creator Hub. It's a really great resource that can help you to be able, again, to create what you need in minutes. Kajabi is going to be continuing to add on to this particular hub. So make sure you star it, make sure you know exactly how to get to it, and this will help you to be able to create that online course, that membership, or that coaching program and get the things needed in minutes.
So there you have it, Corporate Misfits. Now you can create your online course, your outline, your sales page, your video script, and all that great stuff in minutes. Don't forget to check out the link below if you're interested in trying Kajabi, and also hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed today's video. Okay, until next time. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.